To change the band on your watch, start by flipping it over onto a table. Then, using a sharp and rigid object like this one, apply inward pressure to the pin right here while pulling on the band. There you go. It's now removed. Although a knife could do the job just fine, the tool I used is specifically designed for this purpose. You can order it through the link in the description. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch and is very affordable. The pin in your band is so easy to remove that it might fall out. This is what grips between the lugs of your watch with the help of a spring. You can simply insert it into your new band to install it on your watch. To do this, insert one side of the pin into the cavity of one of the lugs, then rest the other side of the pin on the other lug. Using a small tool, push on the pin to help it get inside the lug. If necessary, then move the band until the pin enters the cavity. The spring will do its job to keep everything in place. Now, if you're looking for a new band, make sure to order the right size. Often, the size is indicated on the band or the watch, but in this case, it's not identified. At this point, do the necessary research to find the information. In this case, it's an 18mm. If you need to order a new band, you can shop using the link in the description. So, this is it for today. I hope the video was helpful.